You are unstoppable. Your raw power and determination has your enemies shook. You are a master manifester. You have alchemized all the evil eye spiritual attacks that has been placed upon you. You have outsmarted your enemies. They don't know what to do with themselves. They thought that by now you would have given up. They thought that by now they would have stopped you. You know, these individuals have been working hard to try and slow you down. These people could be people from work, people from your neighborhood, siblings and neighbors even. And they cannot understand your kind. These are the types of people that like to keep things away that they are. But you came in and you evoked change. And because of this, it led to these individuals trying to invest in your demise. Not content with the fact that you shine, you are a hard worker, you are well loved, you are well liked. No. They saw you as someone that they had to destroy. They saw you as someone that they had to take down by any means necessary. In their view, if they can take you down, it will prop them up. They will be seen as the bright shining star. You triggered these individuals' insecurities. One, for creating change. Two, for reflecting to them as to who they are not. Because for so long, these individuals were projecting an image of lies onto others, and others were believing these lies. You know, people were brainwashed in a way to believe that these individuals were well-to-do, intelligent, you know, hardworking. But it was all a facade. And with you in the picture, it highlighted that these individuals were very strategic, very manipulative, and they have been getting away with their manipulation for so long. And they sensed that you could see right through them, and they feared you. And they felt like they had to get rid of you, ice you out, kick you out of a neighborhood, kick you out of a job, isolate you from family. Because with you around, you represented change. You represented fresh energy. You are a leader. You represent the new way of being. And these individuals had everyone manipulated. That was until you came onto the scene. Now these individuals feel isolated. They feel alone. And that was their plan for you. They wanted you to be ostracized. They wanted you to feel rejected, neglected, abandoned. They were plotting and planning in the background for months to make sure that these things happen to you. And they are coming to terms that what they wanted for you is now their reality. You see, their plans are no longer working. They're running out of ideas. They're running out of energy because they feel like you are too intense. You have a reservoir of energy that just keeps overflowing. They cannot keep up with you. They cannot keep up with your next move. You are too smart for these individuals. Just when they thought that they trapped you, they end up trapping themselves. They end up exposing themselves. And then they realize that you are 10 steps ahead of these individuals. And all them spiritual attacks that they've been sending out to you are now backfiring left, right, and center. And for some of you, these individuals are unaware where these attacks are coming from. For others of you, these individuals are realizing that your energy is not one to play with. They realize that every time they mention your name, every time they try and set a trap for you, every time they think ill thoughts of you, something bad happens to them. They're connecting the dots. For some of you, these individuals were very fixated on slowing you down, on creating havoc in your life, because for some of you, they were very fearful of you gaining an opportunity in love, an opportunity in connecting with a business partner. Now, for some of you, this individual was jealous of the fact that a lot of people take to your energy, take to you. They wanted to be seen in the same light. For some of you, before you came onto the scene, they were seen in the same light. They were seen as someone that was high vibrational, someone that was a peacemaker, but it was all fake. Like I said, you have that ability to rip the mask off faces that tell lies through actions to others. And the thing is, before you came around, there was nothing to compare their energy to. So if their energy was representing someone that is very likable, harmonious, someone that is about bringing people together, when in actual fact, this energy is all about segregation. This energy is all about isolation. This energy is all about manipulation. And they manipulated energies way before you came. And they wanted to keep things controlled. They have a way with words. They have a way with manipulating energy, manipulating others, and you could see right through it. And that's why they wanted you out. And they saw and they can see that you have a certain power over the people that they manipulated in the past. That's why you're a problem to this individual or to these people. But the thing is, and the difference is, you use your power for the good. You use your power to bring everyone together. You want everyone to rise. You want everyone to win. This person wanted to win at all costs. And now they're losing. They are losing power. They are losing influence. They are losing energy, because, boy, doing that type of spell work must drain your energy, right? But for some of you, these individuals are still going to try. They have not got the assignment. But the more they try to come up against you, the more backfires they will experience. And the more backfires that they will experience, the more disheartened and depressed that they will feel, because they're basically zapping their own energy. Instead of pouring their energy into themselves to become a better person, to become a better version of themselves, to get some healing. That's the first thing they should be thinking about doing, getting some healing. Unpacking why they have targeted you in the first place. Because you definitely trigger this individual. And it's not your fault. Because you are very high vibrational. And this person isn't. They have chosen to stay low vibrational. And the more you raise your vibrations, the more you celebrate yourself, the more you accept yourself, the more light you project outwardly. And the more light you project outwardly, the more blessings you receive. And this person doesn't get it. They're thinking, after all the schemes and the plots and plans that I've done, I haven't destroyed them. No. The more they try and come for you, the more that they will destroy themselves. And that's exactly what's happening. If this individual has tried to block you from advancing at work, these blockages will dissolve. Because this person is in a very competitive energy. For some of you, they're fearful that you're going to take their role. For some of you, they are jealous that a manager favors you because you are a hard worker. Okay? And this person has tried to outwork you to the point where they are feeling drained, they are feeling disheveled, they are feeling tired, because you cannot compete where you don't compare. This person tried to isolate you from others, fearful of your charisma, your charm, your beauty. What are you going to do with it? Who are you going to attract with it? For some of you, they were fearful that you were going to attract a loving partner with it. And you did. And they tried to do breakup spells, spread rumors about you. It's still a form of spell work. Intervene into your connection. Try to be a third party in your connection. Try to ice you out. Try to make you feel like you are a third party. This person was doing the most. And I feel like this individual has done this to many different people. If they sense that someone is a threat, or someone's going to, expose the fact that they are a very manipulative and dangerous force within a company, a family group, a friendship group, a area that you live in, they have a way of manipulating a lot of people against people. And they have in the past pushed people out of certain communities, families and workplaces. They've done this in the past because this person has got some type of power, but they ain't more powerful than you. And your power is quite quiet. Your power is just a power whereby you just exude positivity. And their darkness cannot cope with your light. And that's how you were able to dismantle this narcissist, because this person is a narcissist. They wanted you to be in spiritual jail. They wanted you to feel unworthy. They had a way whereby they were able to, like I said, manipulate others and steer others in certain directions away from you also. And now they're losing that power. People are starting to wake up and realize who this person is. People are realizing that this person is unbalanced. People are realizing now that this individual is a very mean force. And they wish that they never connected with this person. People are separating themselves from this individual. They are now being ostracized. They are now being left out in the cold. And this person is going to witness or hear of you gaining your blessings. So any blessings they try to stop and block from you, you're going to get it back tenfold. The love that they try to ice out of your life, you're going to receive this love. For some of you, it could be from the same person they were trying to block and stop from coming towards you. This person has awoken, that they're realizing that they were under some sort of trance. For some of you, they may not go as far as to say that, but they're going to start connecting the dots, and they're going to realize that this person is actually very controlling. This person is actually very mean-spirited. This person was actually saying certain things to me to make me think that you're a certain way. And, they're going to start to awaken to the truth of this individual and ice this person out. And that's one of the reasons why this person does not want you around. Because like I said, you bring truth into environments. You are the veil lifter. You allow people to see the truth about individuals that should not be around them. Individuals that were very influential to certain people's detriment. You're all about people being individuals, people expressing themselves freely. This person is all about confinement. This person is all about being possessive of people's energy, a dictator of people's actions. This person is extremely territorial. And because they've gotten away with it with other people in the past, being in this type of energy, they thought they can try you. Oh, and they tried you all right. And they're seeing who the highest is in the room. And now they're fearful of you. But like I said, for some of you, they're still going to try again. But don't worry. You keep shining. You keep glowing. You keep being the best version of you. Don't let this person know that you know what they're about. On a subconscious level, they have an inkling that you may know, but they're not sure because they're going to still try and do the most. However, keep shining, keep vibrating highly, be an example to others. And I feel like because you are an example to others of being independent, of being a leader, you know, living life by your own rules, as long as it's not hurting anyone or yourself, you are showing other people the way. And this is what this person cannot cope with, because they wanted to control and confine others, to bend their will to their way, but not on your watch and not on Spirit's watch. It ends. It ends now. This person is forced to give up the power that they had, the fake power that they had. And it's not about handing that power over to you. It's giving people who they controlled in the past back their power. That's what this is about. And they're going to have to bear witness to you being loved, respected, from the people that they tried to ice out of your life, from the job opportunity that was supposed to be granted to you, but they intervened because of their jealousy towards you and blocked your blessings at work. Everything that was snatched away from you, my darling, you're going to receive it. And these people are going to hear about it or witness it.